And this person would like to work on calling their social support team. And here they wrote what they would like to see happen. Because at this point, they're not calling their social support during times when they're feeling overwhelmed or they may have high anxiety, they may be fighting depression. But during those times, they are not reaching out to their social support. So, what would they like to see happen? This person said, I would like to reach out to my support team when I am feeling overwhelmed. They have identified their strengths. I am resilient, creative, loving, teachable, and strong. Here, they have identified their challenges. And this is where, by identifying your strengths and challenges, you're able to move from problem talk to solution talk. So their challenges are I don't like to reach out to people when I am feeling overwhelmed. So they have put together what can I do to change it? So they analyze based upon their strengths and their challenges, what they can do to change this situation. So they said I could go to counseling, I could talk to the right people, I could set a timer on my phone to reach out to my support team, my family, friends, therapists, pastor, church friends, church family. They said they could be more consistent in calling their support team. They can also participate in support groups through social media, and they could find reliable support. Who? So this person asked, who can I get to help me? Now, these people are very important because they are a part of your social network. These are people that you can trust. These are people who are consistent. These are people who want to see you get well. They want to see you win. And your strengths may not necessarily be their strengths. So really, these people you have similarities and differences. But it's the differences that makes them your support team, right? So these are people who can help you along the journey. So who can I get to help me? So this person said, my best friend, my spouse, my support group, my pastor, my children, my mentor, my doctor, counselor, or therapist. Next is how. How can they help me? So we're going to fill this out if they would allow in real time. How can these people help me? It would allow me to do this. All right. So how can they help me? How can your best friend help you? Um, or let's go with pastor. How can my pastor help me? I can talk to him or her. Let's make this a little bit smaller. Let's see. Um, I can talk to him about my problems and goals. That's the how. How can they help me? How can my pastor help me? And is someone that you trust? And the people that you have built as part of your support team, because you're not the only one that's going to be working your plan. So you have to pick people who are going to be reliable and consistent with you, right? They're not there to hold you accountable.